Wow.
Ooh, do you like it?
Yes.
So I try to get as much sleep as I can, but I do wake up a lot during the night. So I wake up in the morning still restless, still tired. We're really always on the go. There's no relaxed time until late at night. So I find that if you're not resting all night, if you're not starting off on a good spot in the morning, you're waking up already cranky. Your patience is at null. You're yelling at the poor kid. Well, the mattress I have right now, if I paid over $2,000, it's been over about 15 years that I've had it. It is a very firm mattress, but if you can get that medium between being a little softer and having that comfort, I'll take it.
Wow.
Ooh, that's very comfortable.
Yeah.
I really, really like it. Do you like it?
Yes. First, when I saw it, I didn't see a difference. And when I got on it, I felt so a difference.
This is definitely an upgrade from what we had before, eh?
I agree.
You agree?
Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's our mat. Oh!
What?
So it's not a full mattress. It's just like a topper. You can definitely order one for your bed now.
Yep. And I really like a nice design. Bumpy and like you're gonna pop them. Beep, 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 beep.
So before I got the Dormeo topper, honestly, my mattress was a pretty good mattress. But the topper, I can't even express how it's surprising to know that it's not a new mattress. I've been sleeping on it for about a week now and my back pains are still there, but a lot less. The fit of the Dormeo topper is amazing. If you want that comfort and you want something that's gonna last and you wanna upgrade your mattress, best way to go is Dormeo topper. You will not regret it.